Is a pair of Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect this via Bluetooth directly to your Samsung TV. So the first thing is we need to go to the settings on the Samsung TV. So you can grab your remote and just click on the home button. Click on the home button, and then when this pops up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to move over to the left here. Just keep moving all the way over to the left until you see the settings icon, that little gear icon right there. Now from here, I mean, you can go to the TV speaker slash, the sound output from here, but we're just going to go ahead and click on the settings, okay? We'll go the other way. So from here, we're going to go down one where it says sound, move over to the right. It says sound output there. Currently it's coming out of my TV speaker. Let's change that to these Bluetooth headphones. So click on OK. And then we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Click on OK. Now you can see I have other headphones here paired. Just ignore this. So right now it's searching, okay? So it's looking for a Bluetooth device to connect to. So let's go ahead and grab the headphones here, and you got the power button here. So what you want to do is just press on this power button, just press and hold, and just wait till the light starts blinking. Okay, so it's blinking. So now it's in pairing mode. You can see it all blinking. So it's in pairing mode. Up, there you go, Beats Studio 3. Now if it didn't show up, then what I would do is just go ahead and refresh, okay? So from here, I'm gonna go down. It says needs pairing with the Beats Studio 3. Let me click on OK, pair and connect right there. Let's tap on that and give it 1 second. Okay, your Beats Studio 3 is connected, okay? So right now they're connected. Now I can watch my Netflix or YouTube and all the audio will come out of here. The thing is, if you guys had a issue connecting to it and you couldn't connect to it or whatnot, then what I would recommend is go ahead and do a factory reset on these. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below. Okay, good luck guys.